Laws of conservation of energy. We now know that the form of energy can be changed from one form to another. Whenever energy gets transformed, the total energy remains unchanged. This is the law of conservation of energy. According to this law, energy can only be converted from one form to another. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. The total energy before and after the transformation remains the same. Let us consider a simple example. Let an object of mass m be made to fall freely from a height h. At the start, the potential energy is mgh and kinetic energy is 0. Why is the kinetic energy 0? It is 0 because its velocity is 0. The total energy of the object is thus mgh. As it falls, its potential energy will change into kinetic energy. If v is the velocity of the object at a given instant, the kinetic energy would be 1 upon 2 mv square. As the fall of the object continues, the potential energy would decrease while the kinetic energy would increase. When the object is about to reach the ground, h is equal to 0 and v will be the highest. Therefore, the kinetic energy would be the largest and potential energy the least. However, the sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy of the object would be the same at all points. That is, potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to constant, or mgh plus 1 upon 2 mv square is equal to constant. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of an object is its total mechanical energy. We find that during the free fall of the object, the decrease in potential energy at any point in its path appears as an equal amount of increase in kinetic energy. There is thus a continual transformation of gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy.